Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Windows 11 app not opening or solve app problem. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Actually, these error occur due to corrupted app cache or data or damaged Windows store or outdated system files or missing broken system components or pending Windows update. So here what we are going to do is we are going to fix those issues. So our first step is to restart your system. So it fixed the temporary issue. So please restart your system first, and then what you are going to do is we are going to enter into the cmd command prompt as run as an administrator mode. Yeah, once you enter into your cmd, please type sfc space scan now. It will scan the sfc and DISM scans. So please hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will take some time, so have some patience to wait, or else we can do the other step and we will check it on the last. So it will verify up to 100 to complete. So please minimize it. So our third step is to reset Microsoft Store. So for that you need to search wsreset.exe, wsreset.exe. Once it's shows, please open it as and run as an administrator mode, and a command window will appear and close automatically. The store will reopen, and check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, please follow the next step. Our next step is to troubleshoot the Microsoft Store. So for that you need to enter into your settings, system, and then troubleshoot. Over the troubleshoot you need to choose other troubleshoot, and please scroll down and search for Microsoft Explorer. Sorry, please search for Windows Microsoft Store. So if it's not, please search as Windows Store, and it shows find and fix problem with Microsoft Store. So please hit it and please click next. Yeah, once you click next, it will take large time. Have some patience to wait on it. It was detecting and initializing the problem. So it shows please reset an app. So please click next. Yeah, it shows hanging or crashing app, so it's not fixed. So to fix, please close it, and sometimes it's automatically fixes those issues, and rather than some time it will not. So to fix, we need to enter into the Microsoft Store settings. So for that, please search for Microsoft Store and open the settings shown over there. Please pull up the bottom arrow. Once you pull down, it shows app settings. Please enter into the app settings and scroll down to reset the app or repair the app. First we need to repair the app and we need to check it, and once it's not solved, I mean the issue is not solved, we need to reset it. If in case we reset in the sense we need to put the credential once again to log in. Yeah, so here I'm not going to do the reset. I'm just to do done the repair, and after that you need to enter into your settings. Over there you need to select app and install the app and select the particular app which is creating the problem, and we are going to reset that app too. Using the three dot icon on the right side, you can click and enter into your advanced option, and over there you need to scroll down to reset or repair the application. Here also I'm going to repair the application. Check once it's the issue is solved or not. If not, please do the reset. Yeah, it's done. Now the next step is to search for PowerShell and open it as run as an administrator mode. Hit X, sorry, click S, and the prompt is in the description. Please copy the prompt and paste it over here as shown. Yeah, this is the prompt. Please copy the prompt which is in the description and paste it in the PowerShell. Once you paste and hit, it will automatically run and it will take some time to finish. So I'm just speeding up my video. Yeah, once it finished, please close it. And now we are reopening the previous step, first step. Yeah, it's verified 100%. Now what we are going to do is we are going to copy the link in the description and paste all the 3 lines on the prompt in the description. So please copy and paste the prompt and it will save your time. And that's it, guys. After that you need to restart your PC and the issue will be solved. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.